I'm going to show you an example of one of our Excel charts add-ins. Our Excel charts add-in will format an Excel chart in a specified style. Microsoft do provide various chart styles, but they never represent exactly the style you want. Our add-in will format charts exactly to your specification. As well as chart colours and fonts, we can specify things like the colour of grid lines, the background colour of charts, and the display of tick marks. In addition, we can also provide a very easy way to resize graphs so they are the correct size to insert in a Word report. If you have tried to resize graphs in the past, you may have found the axis labels and the legend seem to have a mind of their own, and you can't retain their sizing and positioning. Our add-in can resolve this problem and make it very easy to insert graphs with the correct formatting and sizing in your Word reports. Here are some charts I have already created in Excel, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to apply your house style to a chart. We have created this custom ribbon tab. It has all the graph types we require. All I do is select a graph and click the relevant button on this ribbon. Right, I'm just going to select this line chart and choose the line button on the ribbon. See, that instantly formats the chart in the specified style. For this particular style we have specified Arial font, no axis lines, grey major grid lines, no tick marks and a grey border. The line colours match the house style. For the column chart, you see we have black grid lines, major tick marks and Calibri font. This doesn't conform to our house style, so I'll just select the graph and click the column button. As you see, it instantly changes to our house style. I haven't had to waste any time selecting different elements of the chart and setting the format for each element. It has changed the whole chart with just one click of the button. Now I'm going to format the pie chart and the scatter chart. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we can also set the width of the chart so it fits nicely between the margins in one of our Word reports. If I select a chart and from the custom ribbon select the set width button, which reveals two different sizes for my chart. I'm going to choose full width here. See, the chart is instantly resized to fit in my Word report. As you can see, all the labels have been resized so everything sits nicely in the chart. Now I just need to copy it and go to my Word report, and then I just click paste. I'm going to paste this as a picture, and there you go. It fits within the margin. As you can see, I have the text boundaries visible so you can see where the margins are. Now if I want to insert two charts side by side, first I'll insert a table for my framework. I'm going to have a two-column table. Now I go back to the spreadsheet and select the chart, choose half width, and as you see we have a much smaller chart. All the labels and chart elements have been resized and repositioned nicely. So we just copy this chart, go back to the Word document, position the cursor in the first cell of the table, right mouse button and select Paste Picture. And there we are, so it fits nicely in the first column of the table. Now to add another chart, we go back to the spreadsheet, select the chart, select half width, copy the chart, go back to the Word document, position the cursor in the second column, right mouse button, select Paste Picture. Now to align this chart with the right margin, we go to the Home tab and choose Align Right. Now if you want to see what this looks like when it's printed, we go to View and Read Mode, and there we have our document. Now although you can see the grid lines of the table on screen, when the document is printed the grid lines aren't printed. So tables are a really great way to create a two-column layout such as this. We can create something similar like this for you. You can specify how you'd like all your charts to look, and we'll develop a custom add-in for you.